Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by mapping every task you know, assign durations and immediate predecessors so dependencies are explicit. Once done, confirm resources and who owns each activity, because resource constraints change the critical path. Then pick a CPM tool. A spreadsheet is fine for small projects, while MS Project fits complex schedules. Make sure to standardize time units and include buffer rules. This prevents calculation mismatches later. Now that inputs are ready, you can build the network diagram immediately. Next, construct the network diagram visually so you can trace flows, use nodes for tasks or arrows for dependencies, whichever your team understands. Perform a forward pass to compute earliest start and finish times, and then a backward pass to derive latest times. This reveals task float. Once you calculate float, the tasks with zero float form the critical path. Make sure to validate calculations by hand for a few nodes. Discrepancies usually point to mistaken dependencies or unit errors. To finish, target the critical path. Shorten tasks through crashing or fast-tracking where cost and risk permit, because reducing critical tasks directly cuts project duration. Once you reassign resources or change durations, immediately recompute the CPM and confirm no new critical chains appeared. Then baseline the schedule and communicate assumptions to stakeholders. This ensures scope and risk are shared. Troubleshooting tip: if results look unstable, check for input errors. Wrong dependencies or mixed time units are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.